Are you ready to unlock Discord Nitro without breaking the bank by using a clever trick with Turkish Lira on your Revolut account? Let's dive into how to score some sweet Nitro perks using Turkish Lira within your Revolut. First, you'll need a Revolut account. If you don't already have one, download and install the Revolut app on your phone. It only takes a few minutes. Verify your identity to be able to do an international transfer or to use the Revolut card features. Once you're set up with Revolut, you need to add Turkish Lira to your account. You can do this by exchanging other currencies you own on the app. If you have money in USD or Euro, exchange it into Turkish Lira using within the Revolut app. Check the exchange rates within Revolut. They are very competitive. Now that you have Turkish Lira, you can add a virtual card or use your existing one through the app as well. Make sure your card is enabled for online transactions. Now go to the Discord app. Go into your user setting tab. Tap on Nitro and select a subscription plan. When you get to the payment method, select your Revolut card. Very important. Make sure the billing address is set to a valid Turkish address. It helps with the success of the purchase through the Turkish Lira. You can either look this up online or use a VPN that is connected to Turkey to find out. Voila! Provided you did everything right, your Nitro should be unlocked within seconds. Now you're enjoying all the perks of Discord Nitro at potentially much lower cost than if you paid directly in your local currency. This is a great strategy. If converted into Turkish Lira, your local currency goes a long way. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.